Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Sui Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sui Wallet application on your device, and you may be required to enter your PIN code or provide your biometric verification in order to verify your identity. Once you have verified your identity, you will be taken into the home page where you are already logged into your Sui application. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on More Options. Now, within this More Options page, you will see the Reset Your Wallet option. Go ahead and click on this. And now you will see the Reset and Remove All Data option. Go ahead and tap on Reset and Remove All Data. And now this will log you out from your Sui application account right away. And now if you wish to log back in, you can open up the wallet application once again and choose from the various different login methods in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Sui Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.